Hey guys, do I have a video for you today? Okay, so I was just filming a Q&A video, and I always screenshot your questions and then save them for later, so I don't I kind of read the questions beforehand, but I don't I see that it's a question, I screenshot it. I don't read the whole thing. Why am I explaining this? I don't know. Got a question asking about bots. Here's the question. Hi Vanessa, I am very new to Poshmark and to your channel. I have seen a lot of companies that offer bot services, robot services. They offer to share your closet for you. What are your thoughts on this? This girl is new to my channel, so she does not know that I made a lot of videos talking about bots. Maybe you don't know that either. Maybe you're new here too. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately. So I'll just link my Poshmark playlist down below, because I'm not going to go through and search all the videos where I talked about bots, because like I said, there were a lot. I'll just link my Poshmark playlist down below and you can check it out. So yeah, if you want to get technical, in Poshmark's terms of service, they say that you cannot use automation. Can't use... Do you guys hear that noise? My father-in-law and my brother-in-law and my son are all outside putting trees in the wood chipper. They're doing like a bunch of yard work. We're getting a bunch of shit done to the house. It's great, but it's very loud. So yeah, Poshmark says they don't want you to use any automation, and a lot of people don't like that. There recently have been a lot of people that have come forward and been like, no, I use a bot. It's so much quicker. I'm gonna use this to, streamline my business. I don't care if it's against Poshmark terms of service. I'm gonna do this. La la la. There have been so many people that have come forward lately. Are they wrong? I mean, no, using a bot will absolutely streamline shit, and it'll take some things off your plate that you won't have to do, like sharing. What else can you do with a bot? You can share, you can follow people, you can send offers, you can do price drops. Like there's a lot you can do with a little robot. So yeah, so they're absolutely right when they say that, again, it'll, take things off their plate, and, you don't have to do those mundane tasks. But again, it's technically against Poshmark terms of service. There's still an argument as to whether or not Poshmark actually cares. Honestly, I'm starting to feel like they really don't care. In the past, I have known people that have gotten in trouble for it. Either their closets have been deleted altogether. And regardless of what anyone says, yes, it has happened. I know there are still some resellers that are like, no, it's never happened to anyone. No one has ever gotten in trouble for using a bot, which is not true at all. But honestly, I do think that Poshmark is being more lenient. I feel like they know a lot of people are using bots and they don't really care so much anymore. Still, is it worth the risk? That's up to you to make. And again, even though I've said this in so many videos, when I tell you guys this stuff, I'm not telling you, I'm not saying don't use bots. I'm saying, use your judgment, weigh the pros and cons, use common sense. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. I'm not telling you what to do either way. I'm just telling you what is right and wrong in Poshmark's eyes. You might think right and wrong is different, and that's okay. But really what it boils down to is what Poshmark thinks, because you are using their platform. You did agree to their terms and service when you signed up, blah, blah, blah. I got a lot of comments, when I made these bot videos, I got a lot of comments from people being like, how can you even talk about bots if you've never even used one? Yeah, da, 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 da. And then I got to thinking, I'm like, obviously you can have an opinion on something, but your opinion is more justified, I guess, if you have experience with whatever you're talking about, So what did Vanessa do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I used a bot. Little confession. I wanted to try them out. I wanted to see what the hype was, and I wanted my opinion of it to be more valid or justified, I guess, So I used a bot, and honestly, you guys, I loved it. I did. I keep it real with you guys. I keep it 100 all the time. I have no shame admitting that I loved using a bot. I enjoyed every second of using a bot. It made my life so much easier. So much easier. It was so great to not have to worry about sharing or following people or sending offers to likers. You guys, it was amazing. I have no shame in saying that. I am being 100% honest with you guys. It was amazing. But it's still against the rules, unfortunately. If Poshmark ever allows bots, I'm saying this now, I will be the first one in line I'll be like, sign me up, sign me up, because like I said, it was amazing. My opinion about it changed. So I had never used a bot. So again, I couldn't really have an opinion about it in the past. Like the only opinion that I had that mattered, I guess, was if I thought it was okay for people to use them, considering Poshmark said no. You know, I didn't know how easy it would make my life. Like it was mind-blowing, honestly. And I totally understand why a lot of people use bots now. I totally get it. I totally get it. Because my bot experience was so amazing, I didn't want to go back to having to do those tasks. So I hired a VA, and she's great. It's just like having a bot, it really is. I mean, she doesn't share as often because, you know, a bot, you could it could go 24/7, you know, depending on how many listings you had. Like, seriously, guys, like, using a bot was amazing. It really was. But again, it's against the rule. You gotta weigh the pros and cons. Like I said, I do think Poshmark is more lenient. So, like, in the future, will I use a bot? Like, absolutely, if Poshmark allows it. In the future, will I use a bot if Poshmark, you know, technically doesn't allow it? But I feel like they've, you know, I feel like they have one eye closed right now. I feel like if they close another eye, will I use a bot? Guys, probably. I don't think there's anything wrong with changing your opinion about something, especially if you've had experience with it. Opinion definitely has changed. Again, do what you want to do with your business, but I did just want to make this video and confess to you guys that I tried using a bot and it was amazing. I'm not going to tell you guys what bot it was. I know you guys are gonna be asking. I'm not going to tell you guys which one I use. In the future, if I do use a bot, I will tell you which one I used. I will probably use this one, or I might try a different one. I don't know. I just want to make this video and tell you guys about my experience using a bot. Make your own judgment using your business. You know, it's definitely important to make your own decisions, you know, use common sense, but you still should know technically what Poshmark thinks is right and wrong. All right, I'm done rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.